Hi, Cameron here from Capital Machinery with the MultiBlast range of wet blasting cabinets. We offer 3 different sizes of blast cabinet. The 390, ideal for small components and automotive parts. The 900 and the 1200, ideal for larger workpieces. Constructed of high-grade stainless steel, the blast cabinet is completely corrosion-free. The features include an adjustable pressure regulator. The pressure regulator adjusts the nozzle blast pressure depending on the product material or finish required, and a remote operator's foot pedal to start and stop the blast cycle. Toughened glass for long life and clear visibility. The screen wiper allows for unobstructed viewing of the workpiece. At the back of the cabinet, there are 2 extraction fans, drawing out any vapour to keep visibility clear. A water inlet valve to fill the cabinet and for the washdown gun. A 1.1 kilowatt pump motor to draw the abrasive into the blast nozzle. A tank overflow port and a drain valve to flush the system. The blast cabinet is fitted with an ultra bright LED lamp, lighting up the entire work area, and heavy duty long lasting silicone blast gloves. The blast cabinet door is fitted with a safety interlock switch, which shuts down the machine if opened during the blast cycle. For your commercial and industrial blasting requirements, you should consider a quality MultiBlast blast cabinet. You can buy online or contact us for more information.